Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on our C10 again, but I have kind of switched gears. Have the old green sun visors for the truck, and I've washed them with soap and water. I'm going to prep those to do a vinyl dye on. We're going to take and get started. I got the products laid out over here. So you can see you got a DuPont brand, but it's plastic. It's just a kind of like a solvent-based cleaner. So we soap and water wash it first. Then we wash it with this stuff or clean it. Just spray it on, let it sit for a second, wipe it off. Once we get it wiped dry, scuff it with just a gray Scotch-Brite. Don't use red, it's too coarse. Then we move on, and I have this out of the One Choice line for PPG. Just aerosol adhesion promoter for plastics. Spray one coat, let that sit for 3 to 5 minutes, and then I have Deltron Basecoat. Once we have the adhesion promoter on, we hit it with the Basecoat, and that gets us our nice blue color to match the interior of the C10. Then DBC 500, we want to reduce this, spray one coat. That gives you some protection over the top of that base coat. Use an Omni reducer, medium reducer for this, because Deltron reducer is expensive, and Omni seems like it works just as good. So that's what we're using. Hope you enjoy the video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. final interior painting process, anything you have on the inside of your car that you need to paint, that process will pretty well work for it. We didn't try to smooth anything out, left the texture, and just got it to color match with the inside of our old truck. Hey, hope you guys stuck around. If you did, I mean, you learned how to do something today. So don't forget, hit the thumbs up if you liked it. Leave some comments down there, things that you'd like to see. You know, maybe you know how to do this better than I do and I did something wrong. I don't know. Anyway, we'll catch you on the next one.